Welcome to my CreditLadder Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. CreditLadder is a unique tool designed to help renters boost their credit scores by reporting rent payments to major credit bureaus. This tool is aimed at renters who may not have a strong credit history, but pay rent consistently and on time. By reporting these rent payments, CreditLadder allows users to build their credit score without relying on traditional credit lines or credit cards. The process with CreditLadder is simple. You sign up for the service, link your bank account, or provide proof of rent payments, and CreditLadder starts reporting your on-time rent payments to the credit bureaus. The service reports to all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, helping renters establish or enhance their credit scores over time. This process doesn't require any extra effort from the renter, as the platform automatically tracks rent payments once linked to your bank or payment system. What sets CreditLadder apart is its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with your bank account, making the reporting process effortless. You also receive real-time updates on your credit score, so you can track improvements as your rent payments are consistently reported. The platform offers an easy-to-read breakdown of your progress, ensuring you're always aware of how your rent payments are impacting your credit score. CreditLadder is perfect for anyone who rents and wants to leverage their regular rent payments to improve their credit. Whether you're a first-time renter or someone who's been renting for years, this tool can help you build credit quickly and easily. It's particularly helpful for those who lack other forms of credit but want to take advantage of their monthly rent payments. In conclusion, CreditLadder offers a simple, efficient, and effective way for renters to improve their credit scores. With its seamless integration, real-time updates, and reporting to all three bureaus, it's a powerful tool for building credit. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started today.